my name is Michaela Flatus. I will be doing Skill 12, which is weighing powder with an electronic scale. My gloves are already on, so we will start by cleaning my materials that I will be needing, which is the spatula, the weighing boat, and yes. Oh, fuck, I got a spatula. Okay. Hello, my name is Michaela Flatus. I will be doing Scale 12, which is weighing powder with an electronic scale. My gloves are already on, so we will start by cleaning my materials that I will be needing. So what I have to clean is the spatula, the scale, and the weighing boat. Okay, so now I'll get some alcohol pads. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and let those dry naturally. So I have to do two weights, which is 5 milligrams and 14 milligrams. So essentially the materials I will be needing all together today is the scale, the boat, the spatula, and the base powder. So now that this is all dried, I will calculate for the math for the first weight, which is 5 milligrams. So for the maximum amount allowed, I added 5 milligrams with 10% and got 0.5. I then added 5 with 0.05 and got 5.5 grams. So that means 5.5 grams is our maximum amount allowed. And for the minimum, I subtracted 5 grams to 0.5 and got 4.5. So 4.5 grams is our minimum amount allowed. So we will start by turning this on. We will make sure the scale is at 0. Now that the scale is now that I have cleaned, now that I have cleaned all my materials, I had to calculate for the first weight for 5 milligrams, so for the maximum amount allowed, I added 5 grams with 10% and I got 0.5%, and then I added 5 with 0.5 and got 5.5 grams. So that means 5.5 grams is our maximum amount allowed. And for the minimum, I subtracted 5 grams to 0.5 and I got 4.5. So 4.5 grams is our minimum allowed. So my scale is now on 0. So I will then start by adding the base powder to no more than 5.5 and no less than 4.5. Okay, so now I have allowable margin of error right there. Put this back. Okay. Now we will go ahead and re-clean with an alcohol prep pad all of the necessary items. So that means we will have to re-clean the spatula, the scale, and the boat. Okay. Okay, so now that everything is clean, I will let them dry. So for next week, I have to do is 14 grams. So for the minimum, it is 13.5, and for the maximum, it is 14.5 grams. So let this dry. Okay, so now that everything is dry, I will go ahead and do the next weight. So again, the minimum is 13.5 and the maximum is 14.5. Okay. I now have 14.1 grams, which is in the allowable margin of error. So I will go ahead and clean everything. clean everything with Prep Pet.